Austin Evans revives old Macs abandoned by Apple by installing Linux, turning a 2012 MacBook Pro, a 2008 Mac Pro, and a 2017 iMac into functional machines in 2025. He starts with the MacBook Pro, praising its beautiful Retina display but noting its unupgradable RAM and proprietary SSD.
It has an unupgradable RAM, a proprietary SSD.
Next, he converts the 2008 Mac Pro into a powerful NAS server with 32GB DDR2 ECC RAM and 10TB NAS drives, achieving file transfer speeds around 4.5 GB per second.
32 gigabytes of RAM to...
Lastly, the 2017 iMac becomes a gaming PC running SteamOS at 4K. Austin concludes, "This is exactly what you should do with your old Macs." Well, that's around 18 minutes saved. See you next time.